Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to be covering how to trade crypto for profit, right? Now, crypto trading is one of the most exciting ways to make money in the digital world, but it can be risky if you don't know what you are doing, right? In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through what you need to know to start trading crypto and actually make profit, right? Now, you need to understand the basics of crypto trading. It's very important, right? Let's start with the basics. What's crypto trading? In simple terms, crypto trading is actually buying and selling cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others with the goal of making a profit, right? The key success is understanding market trends, knowing when to buy and sell, and managing risk, right? Very important. For instance, I think about 11 years ago, Bitcoin was selling at the rate of, I think at the range of was around $13, right? And today Bitcoin is about 68 to $69,000. Imagine if you had bought maybe 1 or 10 Bitcoins then that it was $13 and you allowed it to stay for 13 years or 11 years rather. You know what you would have made? That is what we are referring to. So you buy and you sell, and you're also managing risk. There are two main types of trading, even though there are other ones, you can classify them into different ways. But then these are just few ones that the two I'll classify for beginners majorly. Day trading, these ones buy and sell within a single day. But those ones that hold are referred to as hodling. So they hold onto crypto for a long period. Just like I mentioned, about 11 years ago, Bitcoin was around $13. And there are some persons that have been holding Bitcoin to date. So imagine if you bought Bitcoin, then you'll be considered as what? As a hodler, meaning you are hodling, right? You are holding on to crypto for a long period, holding for bigger gains, bigger profit. Now, to be able to trade crypto, you need to have crypto wallet or exchange account. And that's where we refer to some things like Trust Wallet, Binance, Exchange, and so on. Now, before you start trading, you need to start to set up your wallet and choose a reliable exchange. To get started with setting up your wallet, you need to create a wallet. You can either use a hardware wallet like Ledger, or maybe uh, you can use some softwares like Metamask or Tonekeeper or Trust Wallet, depending on the particular network you are using, right? I'm going to be dropping a more detailed course that will guide you step by step on the description of this video so that you can get started with all of these things practically and don't need to stress yourself with how I'm trying to mention them, right? So ensure you check the description of this video so that you can get access to a more comprehensive course that will guide you as a beginner to getting started with trading, right? Now, the second one is you need to choose an exchange. There are popular platforms like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, Kucoin, Gate.io, and so on that are very beginners friendly. Make sure that the exchange is secure, has good liquidity, and offer low fees. Right? Like I mentioned, there's a more detailed course that will guide you, but just pay attention to most of these fundamental and important aspect of getting started with crypto. How to analyze the crypto trend, basic analysis. The truth of the matter is, if you decide to jump into analyzing the trend or whatever as a total beginner, that's going to be a huge disadvantage on your end because you may find it very difficult to go with it. So I always advise that you join maybe platforms that you can learn how to analyze trends, analyze crypto, or you get yourself better with technical analysis and fundamental analysis before you start analyzing coins. So I'm not expecting you to go and start analyzing anything because I'm making this video right now, because it's likely going to affect you if you start with that, right? So the best thing is to join a community of people that knows better than you. You can search for people on Twitter, or you can even drop a comment, I will recommend, or you can send a message, I will definitely connect you to a platform that will help you, right? So the next thing is you need to what? Manage your risk. So these are some of the risk management for a beginner, right? Crypto is very volatile, truth be told. So managing your risk is crucial. But here are some tips that will help you. You don't need to invest more than you can afford to lose. Very important. Then always make use of stop loss orders, meaning by the time you get to a particular range, you don't want to lose more than that range. You should either have a tool that will help you do the stop loss, or you can be your stop loss yourself, meaning if you are going below 10% or maybe 50%, you can say, I am no longer going to be in this trade. I want to go out. It means you have been able to stop your loss. That is what we are referring to. Then the next is you need to diversify your income. You don't put your eggs into one basket. If you put your eggs into one basket in terms of trading, you can lose everything, or you can make something but not much, because there are projects that will do better than others, right? These are just few for a complete beginners. If you want to get better or you want to get good at crypto and to understand how to go about all of this I've mentioned, you need to check the description of this video. There's going to be a link to a course and a community that can help you, right? Check it and do the needful so that you can get started, right? Crypto trading takes time to master, like I mentioned earlier, but with the right knowledge and discipline, it can be incredibly rewarding. So you need to start small, be patient, and keep learning. If you enjoyed this video, right, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more crypto tips and strategies, right? Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and ensure to check this one video so that you can join maybe my community, or you can get access to the course I recommended so that you can get good and you get started with crypto.